Everyone, Jeff here, and today we're talking about habit number 20. And habit number 20 is drinking plenty of water. All right, now, being dehydrated causes lots of problems because our body is basically made up of chemistry, and those chemical reactions are fueled by what else? Water. All right. So, with that said, they say that probably 75% of Americans walk around dehydrated. Are you one of them? If you are, you need to start drinking more water, right? Now, how much water? Basically, they tell you you need to drink at least half of your body weight in ounces up to 100 ounces of water a day, right? That's a lot of water, but you need it because guess what? Every part of you is powered by water. Think about this, all right? Your synovial fluid that basically lubricates your joints, made from water. If you're having joint pain, it could be dehydration. How do you get rid of waste from your cells? Water. How do you get rid of waste from your body? If you've ever been constipated, it's probably because you're dehydrated, all right? Other things that are fueled by water. Your energy level is fueled by water. If you're dehydrated, you're going to be low energy. If you have plenty of water, you're going to have higher energy, all right? You've got to increase your water intake or maintain what you have, all right? So just remember, habit number 20, you've got to stay hydrated. It basically means the difference between being healthy and unhealthy.